Yes, hi, my name is François van Houten. I'm business developer at Prevo. Yes, Prevo is a toxicological laboratory specialized in chemical risk management. Hazardous substances are omnipresent in our lives. Handling hazardous substances poses significant risks to people and the environment. Wherever corrosive or irritating substances, acid or bases are stored, transported or processed, there is a risk of leakage. This leakage will contaminate the equipment or the working area, creating a risk of contamination for the employees, of corrosion for the equipment. An incident can occur at any time. It is therefore essential to react quickly and safely. The natural reflex in case of surface contamination will be rinse with water to remove the chemical. In most cases, this is a good reflex, but unfortunately it is not enough. Rinsing with water only dilutes and will increase the quantity of liquid and extend the contaminated area. The material is still contaminated and the risk of corrosion or chemical injuries will be not eliminated. Why only rinse when you can neutralize? Just like water, Safurex will dilute the chemical product, but it will also perform an active decontamination. Thanks to its amphoteric properties, surfaces which are attacked by corrosive chemicals or the vapors are decontaminated and neutralized. The chelating function of Safurex also enables it to bind fluoride ions of the hydrofluoric acid to make them non-hazardous and non-toxic. So Safurex is versatile. It neutralizes residues and splashes of hazardous substances such as corrosive, bases and acids. It can even neutralize HF, hydrofluoric acid. Safurex eliminates the risk of contamination for people and corrosion for materials. Its color indicator allows you to indicate via color change when the area is decontaminated. Thanks to our Prevo environmental range, you can act professionally and quickly while protecting your employees, your materials and the environment. All our products are non-toxic, non-irritant, simply non-hazardous. So for more information, you can go on www.prevo.com.